You want to start making money writing article on Medium but don't have big fan base or followers? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to leverage on Medium publication and get your articles across thousands of viewers on Medium platform. Prior to now, I always told you that Medium is a platform that pays users for writing articles, sharing their experience, opinions, and other people's story, and they get paid for that. You can see on my screen, this is a payout of $133, and this is how the money accumulates to that. When you write a lot of articles in different publications, you earn a lot of revenue. Sometimes you can also make up to $2 to $3 from just one article. You can see this my article paid me $1.52, and this article has been written long time ago. What is Medium publication? Medium publication is just like a mini magazine or a blog with thousands of audience. Most of the publications have thousands of audience. We have publications like Write a Catalyst with over 135,000 audience. That's 135k audience. And imagine you submit an article in that kind of publications, a publications where the followers are active. Your article gets across thousands of readers out there, and definitely you are going to start making significant amount of revenue from that. To join this publication and to get your article accepted in this kind of publication, I'm going to show it to you in this particular video. Not just that, I'm going to show you how to select good publication with active followers.
So currently I'm on my Chrome browser, and I'll head on to search for Medium and then head on to Medium website. So you can see I'm on Medium page home feed, and you can see there are some recommendation of articles for me based on my readers, based on my interest. So what you read often is what Medium digest recommend for you on your home feed. So let's start with this first one. You can see how I made $5,139.33 from Facebook monetization in 1 month, and how you can too. You can see that this article is written in Mr. B plan by Damask Musk. Now Damask Musk has she has 1k follower, and she published in Mr. B plan with 13.4k follower. So Mr. B plan here is an example of publication. Now let's go down again. You see here in the writing manual by Pavi. Now Pavi has 2.2k followers, while the writing manual has 144 followers. So Pavi published in the writing manual. Now you can see in Activated Thinker, Activated Thinker has 3.2k followers, and it was published by Olawale Farouk. You can see Olawale Farouk has 128 followers. So we have another publication called Readers Club with 27,000 followers, and this article was published by Annalyn B. She has 87 followers. So when you publish in publication like this, your article reach their audience. Now look at this in Write a Catalyst with 135k followers, and it was published by Benjin, and Benjin has 8.4k followers. Now let's look at this Write a Catalyst, for example. this publication. So you are going to be having a lot of publications. You don't need to be searching for publications. Publication will be recommended to you based on readers' interest. Now this is Write a Catalyst. Now for you to join Write a Catalyst, you see about the publication here, their monthly progress, and then about you. But let's look at how to join this publication. You click on Write a Catalyst, a publication. For you to join this publication, they first say that a new publication is found on Medium. Write a Catalyst is open. Non-member can read this for free right here. So if you have not joined their partnership, you can read for free here. And how to applying to Write a Catalyst in 3 steps. First, you will follow the publication. Then secondly, you will subscribe to their pubs newsletter, and you can do that using your desktop. And then thirdly, you are going to leave a comment below on this post after reading their rules. So you see that when you follow this step, you'll be able to join, and they have rules. And then this is their requirement and submission guideline. The length, your article must be between 2,000 to 1,750 words. And then the topic, write whatever you want to write. That's it, within Medium rules, of course. Then submitting, draft stories will be the only type of stories accepted. So even if you publish your story, you can't bring it here. It's only draft story. And then you see no AI content will be accepted. If it looks like it may be rejected as well. So think twice before submitting. Writing about AI is fine. Like you can write about AI but don't submit AI article. Then grammatical error, I will be using Grammarly for editing for the most part. So please also use it before submitting to exert the process of the post being published. Then call to action or promotion. You can post what you would like in your writing, as long as your document where you are directing the reader to. Yet this post may be at the back of the queue. So that's to tell you that you can still do your CTA, but excessive call to action is not wanted. Then tags. If you would like to help us spread this publication, make sure to use Write a Catalyst in your tag. During your tags, you just put Write a Catalyst here. You can see it here. And then paywall your stories, and you submit. So you select Write a Catalyst during publication. Pictures. Now make sure to include a main image. I will waive it once it will be rejected. So if you are writing your article and you don't have main image in your article, you can see that it will not be accepted in this publication. So that's the publication rule. For you to join, you just comment. So if you had like to join this publication, all you need to do is to put a comment here. I had like to join this publication. And you now respond. And to make things faster, you can add your user ID, and that will make things easy for you. And in 24 hours, you'll be added to this publication. So that's how to join publication. Every publication has its own rules. So it's just very easy. Now let's use this for the last example, and I'll be very fast about it. This is Mr. Plan B publications. Now according to this Mr. Plan B publication, if you want to write for, then the complete list was added on the 23rd of July 2025. Write for Mr. B Plan. For you to write the kind of stories they cover. First, Mr. B Plan focus that aim to create memorable and engaging readers. So this is what they are looking out for. And the topics they cover personal stories and and memoirs. They cover creative writing, self-improvement, career and entertainment, cultural and travel and adventure. So you can see their submission guidelines. They say to maintain a high standard quality, please adhere to the following guidelines. Your article has to be original, and then the length of your article has to be 500 to 2000 words, and then your formatting, you have to use subheading, bullet point, short paragraph, and the voice, it should be engaging, conversational, and true to unique voice. You see that? And then there should be no clickbait or overly promoted content. And then editing and revision. Submission may be edited for clarity, grammar, or formatting. And then how to submit. You can see, for you to submit, send your submission to your email with the subject. You are going to submit with your email using the subject, submission, and then your title. Then include a brief author bio, like 2 to 3 sentence, and any relevant social media link. Then you can also submit directly through the Medium by adding Mr. B plan publication when drafting your story. You can see that multiple ways you can submit. What happens next? Now, you will receive a response within 1 to 48 hours if your submission is accepted, and then accepted story will be promoted on our Medium publication and may be pinned to reward engagement. So you can see that after 48 hours you didn't get response from them, definitely your story is not accepted.
Most at times you submit your article in publication, it gets rejected simply because of your bios. When you register on Medium and you create your profile looked much more like a bot. You have to make it convincing by uploading your personal pictures, writing about your bios. This make you to stand out and much more unique. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to cash out your Medium payment if you reach the $10 payment threshold, and how to fix Stripe account issue if you have any problem with your Stripe account or Medium payment account. Also, I'm going to show you how to boost your engagement and increase your follower. So if you are new to my channel, do well to click the subscribe button and stay tuned. Welcome to OCHE'S Tech.